We are doing 2013 break. It is 7:30 on Thursday, January 22nd. Teams are as follows: J-Wags 49ers, XXTHO, which is, I believe his name is Art, has the Ravens, Seahawks, Redskins, Chiefs. I ended up getting a bunch of leftovers. Derek has Jags, Steelers, Packers. Josh, Vikings, Bengals, Browns, Falcons. Keith, Colts, Giants, Bucks. Derek also has Patriots. Move him up. Bucks. E has Raiders, Saints, Rams, Cardinals, Titans. Roy has Broncos, Bears, Chargers, Lions. Anytime I hit save, it goes to here. Okay, we're going to start with these packs, which so far I've had nothing. And we will see if they continue to have nothing. What the hell is this? Oh jeez, got a viewing party, that's awesome. So hopefully I get something to have you guys get a little excited about, but probably not going to be in these packs. Can't even get this one open, so. Okay. 240. I'll try to get these packs on then. For 240. White card. I don't know what the significance of a white card is. I'm thinking that if it has a white card, maybe it's either has an auto or had a chance at an auto or something. I don't know. I got 2 minutes now. Whoa. Another white one. Okay, let's go through these. See if we get lucky with anything. Hey, we got another viewer. Nice. We got Poe, Cousins, Keekly, Allen, Courtney Upshaw, Blue. Barron, Tannehill, Persa, Ebert, James, Travis Lewis, Blue. Brock Osweiler, Blue. Come on, man. Alfonso Denard, Blue. Yeah, these packs suck. Brandon Whedon, Blue. Okay. Oh wait, how long we got till commercial? Okay, I'll open this up and then I'll probably wait, because I think we'll be at a commercial then. Love these boxes. These are my favorite boxes. 2013 SPX. We got 3 viewers? Wow, look at that. Okay, I'm going to go off the assumption that you were AS. I don't know what the hell that means. I'm going to wait a second, assuming you have a commercial. Ad, yeah. I'm assuming they're like 30-second ads, so I'm going to wait about 10 more seconds, and then I will open. We will get 1 auto jersey, at least. 1 other auto, 2 other autos, and 1 other jersey. Okay. I'm going for it. First pack. For the Packers, Eddie Lacy. Numbered out of 899. I know these are a little thicker. Just like that, Doug. No bonus break for you. Which way we go? We go that way. $8.99. Eddie Lacy. Each pack of these has a nice hit-ish thing in it. Oh my God. Won't load. Well, I just pulled a Terrence Williams auto jersey. So I am wicked stoked. You say it won't load. And we're back, just saw Lacy. There's the second card, boys. That's mine. Terrence Williams, auto jersey. Numbered out of 475. Terrence Williams. That's awesome. I don't know if you guys are on too much of a delay or what you're on, so I'm just going to keep going slowly. Take my time. Timmy Tebow. Whoa, triple jersey. We go top or left is always been my rule. Top is Dan Marino, followed by Jerry Rice, followed by John Elway. So Dan Marino, I don't know if he was drafted by the Dolphins. I will have to check that out. That is numbered out of 99. That is a sick card. That's about as good as a jersey card as you can get. Really hope for my sake that he was drafted by the Dolphins. I feel like he was. Come on, Dan Marino. Don't be drafted by somebody else. He was drafted by the Dolphins. So he is going to go to me, I believe. Wow, two out of 3 so far for me. I got Dolphins, right? Yep, I got the Dolphins. That is awesome. That is a sick card, though. Dan Marino, Jerry Rice, John Elway out of 99 triple jersey. So we got numbered and the auto jersey and a jersey. So we got 2 autos left and 2 numbered and rookie inserts and die cuts. We got a Derek Rogers. I feel like he was actually drafted by the Bills. I'll check on that. It is a Derek Rogers. He was out of a TTU, it looks like. I am still going. This is a thin card. I know he ended up a Colt. I think he was drafted. Rick Rogers. Now a Chief. So he was initially a Bill. So Rick Rogers, that's 2 in a row for me. $2.99. Rick Rogers. So now we got 1 auto, 2 numbered left, and we haven't got an insert yet, so the die cuts will be coming. Like that die cut of Roman Gabriel. It's silver, so it's just the base one. That won't count as a hit. I will definitely send out to whoever gets it. I have no clue where Roman Gabriel is going. Roman Gabriel. Roman Gabriel. Roman Gabriel. The #1 pick in the 1962 draft. Chosen by the Raiders and the Rams. He signed with the Rams and went on to a distinguished career. So he is going to the Rams. It won't count as an official hit because it's not a rookie die cut, but a veteran die cut going to the Rams, which is going to E. Roman Gabriel. Nice old timer for you there. We get 1 auto still. There is a Bart Starr at $8.99. That's an old looking card. I'm not sure where Bart Starr at $8.99 goes either. I would speculate, but I would probably be wrong, so. Two hours. College career. So he is a Packer. Going to Derek. 2 Packers so far for Derek. Bart Starr. Out of $8.99. Okay. 1 auto still to go, and 1 number. Usually you get 2 rookie die cuts. There is your other numbered card for the Rams. Tavon Austin. So that is also going to E. Tavon Austin on $8.99 for E. E, Derek, and me so far. 1 auto, 2 die cuts left. This is a die cut, I can see. It is Dennis Johnson, rookie die cut, running back, Arkansas. That will count as a hit because it's a rookie. Though I'm not sure where Dennis Johnson ended up. Okay, Dennis Johnson. Linebacker, fullback, defense, running back, 1990. Was signed by the Houston Texans, first team. So he will go to, I think I have the Texans. I know, big hit there, but I'll take it. We still have one auto to go and one die cut to go. Here's your die cut, Joe Namath. We did conclude earlier, Joe Namath is a Jet. Got a little tricky. I remember we got the one shadow box, but Derek had the Jets. So I believe I also have the Jets. These boxes are great to me. Probably means the other box will be terrible to me, but I'm okay with that. Joe Namath. X. Okay, the last pack should be an auto. We'll pull from the back. And your auto is Tavarius King. He is a Bronco. That one will go to Roy. Knew Roy would get one hit. Didn't think it would be that one. So Keith and Josh are still missing out on these. Tavarius King, number 299. I don't know if he really even did much this year, but hopefully he made the team. Okay. We'll do a quick recap in case you guys missed anything. That box, Tavarius King, Joe Namath, X die cut, Dennis Johnson, circle die cut, Tavon Austin to $8.99. Roman Gabriel, die cut. Bart Starr to $8.99. Derrick Rogers to $2.99. Triple jersey. Dan Marino, Jerry Rice, John Elway to $99. Terrence Williams, pumped to $4.75. Eddie Lacy to $8.99. It's not a bad box. Not the best box I've had of those, but not the worst yet. Lacy numbered, you got a T-Will auto jersey. I like that. Just making sure. Okay, he's on the way. I'm guessing you guys are way behind me at this point, so I am just going to keep going. And here's this huge box of Prime. It guarantees you one autograph relic, one autograph, one multi-relic, and one patch or Prime relic card. Good luck, you guys. This will be, these are pretty sweet. The auto jerseys for these look sick. Won't fit in there. Close enough. Okay, there's a bunch of packs in here. I didn't think there was this many. Good luck, guys. We'll try to get some hits to the guys that don't have any. Matt Forte base. Matt Ryan base. Andrew Luck base. Oh, I thought it was a sick card for you. Just a little insert of Cordell Patterson. Still not a bad one though. Put it in a little sleeve. And Pierre Thomas Gold. It's a little thicker of a card for the Saints. A little thick, not numbered, but something. And AJ McCarron for the Bengals rookie, not numbered. Nice stuff. That thick card almost tricked. Oh, Crazy thick card right there. I'm going to leave that right there. That's a really thick card. That's either your auto jersey or some sort of thick jersey card. We got Julian Edelman, Deshaun, Marshawn. There's a nice Patriot. Jimmy Garoppolo, primed rookies. Those are the ones I said weren't considered hits, but are nice cards. Drew Brees gold. Another thick one. And Trey Mason. This one's actually a little thick too. It's just a base rookie, but for the Rams. Put the Garoppolo in there. Prime rookies are nice. They're not. I don't consider them hits because there's 2 per box. You know, they're not. Nothing crazy, but they're nice looking cards. They had 2 per box, so we should get one more that looks similar to that one. Jimmy Garoppolo. Derek ended up getting the the Patriots. That's probably a $2 card, so you're almost back. Oh, I want to see what that one. Oh, there aren't that many packs. It's just there's like foam in the bottom of another thick card. I'm gonna leave those 2 there. Those are 2 of your 4 hits. This one feels really thick too. Just a bunch of cards. So there's 2 hits right there. We'll try to save them for last if we can. Joe Flacco, Dominican Sue, Robert Quinn. That's not a rookie. Oh, no. Randall Cobb. We got a prime timers, Kiko Alonso. And we got a C.J. Mosley for the Ravens, numbered out of 350. There you go, Art. Get Art on the board. 23 out of 350. He had a pretty good year, I think. I don't really keep track of the Ravens, but I'm pretty sure he had a pretty good year for them. C.J. Mosley out of 350. So we got 2 thick ones there. I know sometimes the base autos aren't very thick, but Eddie Lacy, Eric Berry, Denarius Moore. We got a prime timers. We got a for the Bucks, Austin Seferian Jenkins. Another thick. Those are thick. Wow. The last year's prime, even like the quad jerseys, weren't very thick. Those 3 are all very thick cards. Nice. They're stepping up the game a little here this year. Calvin Johnson, Dez Bryant, prime timers, Martavius Bryant. There you go, Derek. Nice looking rookie. I know he likes him, so I'll put him in a case for him. Kind of cool. He's laying out catching the ball. Not numbered. Cool looking though. Martavius Bryant. Well, one more of these will be thick, I'm guessing. Not this one. Prime timers. C.J. Mosley base. So, I believe here are your 4 hits. Empty box. It's good luck to everybody who does not have at least a numbered card. XX Star just got one. We gotta get J-Wags one. Derek has a couple. Josh needs one. Keith needs one. I know he got something small. So Josh and Keith. Vikings, Bengals, Browns, Falcons, Colts, Bucks, Giants are the 2 that we are looking for. Leave them right there. Good luck, guys. This is probably just your auto. EJ, Spiller, Prime Timers, and for me, the Jets, Todd Boyd. We got a Tom Savage rookie card. Todd Boyd is your base auto, not even numbered for me. pull that frame here. Yep. Taj Boyd. Okay, I've got enough now. Time to get somebody else one. So we got 3 thick cards. One will be a multi-relic, one will be a quad relic jersey auto, and the other will be a patch or relic. Here's card number 1. Good luck, guys. We got a nice for the Bucks. Prime rookies. Mike Evans. We got a HaHa Clinton Dix rookie. Mike Evans I'll put in a case too. And your second hit of this box is Devonta. Nice. Ooh, 2 color on the bottom. Devonta Adams for the Packers and Derek. On the bottom, 2 color patch. Numbered out of 75. That's a nice card. Okay, so we're going to get one of these for Josh and one of these for Keith. That is a nice card for Derek, though. There's a primed rookies. Who's got the Bucks? Bucks or Keith? Well, at least you got that one either way. That's a nice looking card. 2 per box is all. Primed rookies, Mike Evans. Nice card. How thick? That is pretty thick. Let's see. Yep. Perfect fit. Actually, it's a little small. I'll put it in the bigger one just to be a little safer. It's going to be small for the little one, for the big one. Ah, it's not that bad. Devonta, he had a good game the other night. They lost, but number 17. Nope, 71. Shit. Thought it was an eBay 101 for you, but it's not. 2 color patch on the bottom. Jersey on top? Can't tell. You can never tell if it's a patch or a jersey. Nice card though, Derek. Okay. We got the auto jersey and another jersey. Still waiting. Pull one from the back. There's your Falcon. Devonta Freeman, rookie. Cap and oh my God, Sammy Watkins. Oh man. Sammy Watkins auto jersey. It's not even numbered? That is a sick looking card. I don't even think it's numbered. That's kind of disappointing. It's got a 3 color patch in the bottom. Wow. That is sick. Wow. Sorry guys, this was my break, I guess. Jeez. Wow. Sammy Watkins. Look at that. The bottom left one is the coolest one. 3 color. It is not numbered, which I don't understand. Usually you don't get nice patches like that one and have it not be numbered. Weird autograph he's got. Wow, Sammy Watkins. Yeah, it's not numbered. That is sick. Oh, okay. Last pack. Keith or Josh should get something, I would hope. This one's super thick too. I believe that Kendall Wright is turned backwards. I'm not sure why. Taj Boyd base rookie. Nice one. Blake Bortles. Patch? Looks like a patch. It's got kind of white borders on it. For the Jags. That's Derek too. Derek can be really cleaned up on this one, I think. I know I did. I feel kind of bad about it, but wow. If I do this good in the next one, I'll figure out something for you guys. Blake Bortles. Is that numbered? Not numbered. Jersey card. And that is going to do it. Kendall Wright's just a base. Wow. I crushed that, Blake. Blake Bortles, jersey card, going to Derek. Sammy Watkins, quad jersey auto. Me. Awesome. Devonta Adams, jersey, dual jersey, going to Derek. Prime rookies, that is going to Keith with the Bucks. Taj Boyd, Jets. Me. Latavius Bryant, put that in there for Derek. We got CJ Mosley, numbered card. That is going to Art. We got Jimmy Garoppolo, primed rookies, Derek. Eddie Lacy, $8.99, Derek. Terrence Williams, $4.75, me. Lucky Dan Marino's on top, and nobody picked the Dolphins, so I got this one. Triple jersey. Dan Marino, Jerry Rice, John Elway. Delick Rogers, auto to $2.99. Bart Starr is a Packer for Derek. Roman Gabriel, I believe, was for the Rams, I think, an E, I believe. Roman Gabriel. We got Tavon Austin for the Rams, an E. We got Dennis Johnson, I think that somehow ended up with me. Joe Namath, me. And Tavares King going to Roy. Well, guys, sorry I destroyed that. Wow. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get out another box that I bought. And since I clearly killed that box, I'm going to get out another box for you guys. Ugh. I'm going to open up all of the... This will go to everybody. Everybody will keep the same teams. This is Topps Valor box. One relic. I'm going to not open the relic. I'm going to keep that for later. I'm going to see if we can get somebody a nice rookie numbered card or something at least out of this. I'll keep the relic for later. Okay? This is because you guys are watching live tonight and I got a little extra time. Are you actually watching? Okay. Like I said, I believe this one, the relic is packed separately. Yep. So I can actually keep that separate. I'm going to open all those for you. We'll see if we have something. Fingers crossed. I don't think I've killed a break like that in a while. Now, Derek, on the other hand, I don't feel bad about you, sir. Blake Bortles, Devonta Adams, a couple others, but everybody else, not so great. So, let's try it. We'll keep this for, I'll keep this in the next break. Topps Valor, rookie jersey. My mom asking me how they win the squares. Well, Mom, figure it out. Okay, let's try it, right? I've never opened a box of these. I've seen them open. They're different than most years. They're a little thinner, but the nicer ones are thick, I think. They look sick. These are cool looking cards. Von Miller. Richard Sherman. Kendall Wright. Ben Roethlisberger. C.J. Spiller, Alshon Jeffrey, Tony Romo, Bruce Ellington for the 49ers. These are nice rookies. Got at least a nice rookie for you. These are cool looking cards. The they'll say like speed, strength if they're an insert, and they'll be a little thicker, I think. AP, Alex Smith, DeAndre Hopkins, Reggie Bush. We got a Dre Archer rookie for the Steelers. We got a Jared Abridis rookie for the Packers. I don't know who that is. And Peterson. Okay, 2 random guys at the end. John Elway, Phillip Rivers, Nick Foles, Jarvis Landry. Oh, I'm going to put a case on that one. Cool rookie. Dante Moncrief, rookie for the Colts. Logan Thomas, rookie for the Cardinals. And A.J. McCarron, rookie for the Bengals. Those are all cool looking cards. We'll definitely get some cases on some of those. My mom's selling squares for me. That's awesome. Come on. Sorry, this break is going to be a long one, but maybe Grandpa will buy a square. Darrelle Revis, Jordan Reed, Jason Witten. There's a numbered one. I got the Eagles, don't I? Jordan Matthews, Matt Forte, DeMarco Murray, Connor Shaw, Sammy Watkins. Little Sammy. Sammy. Jordan Matthews, these are the little thicker ones. Strength, numbered out of 499. There hopefully will be one more of these. I have the Eagles, numbered out of 499, Jordan Matthews. I got a stack of cards over here now. Dominican Sue, Sheldon Richardson, Navarro Bowman. Ooh, for the Patriots. That's Derek too, isn't it? Stephen Ridley out of 399. Oh, there we go. For the Panthers, Kelvin Benjamin. Robert Herron, rookie. Percy Harvin. Torrey Smith. The Courage is out of 399. A 399 Courage. Stephen Ridley. Calvin Benjamin finally showed up. I was hoping to get an auto jersey of him, but Sammy would have probably been my second choice. Well, I'm guessing we won't get another numbered, but that's 2. 2 more packs. Maybe we will. These are nice boxes for the price. They're only $15 or so. If we all throw in $1, open the relic. I'll talk to you about that tomorrow. We'll worry about the relic tomorrow, man. There's another one, Glory, out of 199. Tavon Austin. Blake Bortles rookie. Mettenberger rookie. Troy Nicholas rookie. Jimmy Garoppolo rookie. Lots of rookies there. We all throw it $1. $3. No matter who gets. Blake Bortles. Okay, guys. Well, if you're on eBay, you just got a great deal. You got another relic added to your break by 3 local guys. They said they paid me a little to break that one too. So, out of 199, there's Tavon Austin. We got 3 numbered cards out of that. That's sweet. Last pack of this. And then I guess we're opening up the other one. Riggleman. Bradley Roby. Rookie card. Keenan Allen. Deshaun Jackson. Marquise Lee for the Jags. Allen Robinson for the Jags. Paul Richardson for the Seahawks. Devonta Freeman for the Falcons. Okay, guys. So, I guess we're going for this too. One Topps rookie jersey card. Same rules apply. Good luck, everybody. Jordan Matthews for the Eagles. I demolished this break out of 99. It's a little jersey. Jordan Matthews out of 99. Rookie jersey. Okay, guys, that'll do it. I'll do another recap. Let me go through and make sure there's no rookies in here. Don't see any. Okay. Lots of rookies. I will ship out, well, give out all the good rookie cards. I got a stack of rookies that big. That's not even including the 2012 ones. Let's go back through since I did the recap. After that, from that Valor box, we got Jordan Matthews jersey out of 99. Tavon Austin out of 199. That's going to E. We got Blake Bortles going to the Jags and Derek. Kelvin Benjamin. Stephen Ridley going to the Pats and Derek. Jordan Matthews again, numbered out of 499 strength. Sammy Watkins, just a base. Bruce Ellington's base for J-Wags. Finally got a nice rookie. That will finally do it, guys. I'll post this up. It's going to be a pretty long video, but hopefully everybody, I killed it. So I will, I will post this and get back to you for the next break. Thanks, guys.